Hello, my name is Nafe and I was admitted at Connected Education for my advanced IELTS course and I scored 8.0 on my main IELTS exam. Well, coming from an English medium background, I thought I would do really great in my IELTS exam without any practice or anything. But surprisingly, when I gave my first IELTS mock, I received a band score of 6.5, which was something I did not expect. Connected Education has really helped me with my writing and speaking modules. I can now write more fluently and speak more confidently, which is something I really struggled even in my school days. During the classes, everyone got to speak because of the fewer number of students per class. So the teacher could focus on each student really well. And Anand sir's teachings really reflect on my results because I got an 8 in my IELTS exam. I would really recommend Connected Education to my friends and family because they really care about their students, just like my instructor did. Whenever I had a question, even outside of class, he would really try to answer that question, and he really did. He helped me all the time whenever I had a problem. Also, Connected Education provides unlimited mocks which are always free, which is something that surprised me because my friends went to other institutes and they had to pay for each mock, and here at Connected, it's always free. However much you want, it's always free. I would really advise the candidates who are sitting for the IELTS exam to look at the band descriptors and really know their own level, where they are right now, and then slowly, gradually progress to the top, which is band 9 scores. I think that will really help you because there are instances where I struggled with the cohesion of my writing exam and speaking loudly in the speaking exam. So you really need to address or really need to focus on the band descriptors and help yourself through it.